How to use your credit balance on TEMU. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can use credit balance on TEMU. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your TEMU application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you get into home page, if you navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of the home page, there is an option or menu as you tap on it. So that's going to take you to your profile page. Now under this, scroll down a bit and you'll find an option as credit balance. Tap on it. Now under credit balance interface, there you can see the available balance in your account. So at this interface, at the top you can see your available credit balance on your account. Now to use that, you don't have to basically do anything. Your credits will be automatically applied to eligible orders at checkout. But if you prefer not to use your credit balance for a particular order, you may change the amount of credit before completing the checkout. So your next purchase will simply be deducted from the positive balance until your balance drops to zero. So that's the way you can use your credit balance in TEMU, and hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.